Hello again. Today you have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside double grinder model PDOS 200B2, 200 watts, 2950 RPM, and etc. Some specs, okay. Very good. See what we have inside in the box. This costs 30 euros from Lidl. And inside we are going to find some manuals. And inside we have this protected glass. Next we have something else. Okay, some screws, mounting gear. Next, okay, Martin himself. Okay. Voila! This is the double grinder. Let's take a close looker. Thinner and harder. Some safety. Model and the accessories. Thank you again guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.